Starting with my potatoes, as you could see, I'm making my French fries. I like to take the ends off and just peel them. You could use a potato peeler if that's more suitable for you. I'm going to salt my potatoes or my fries. I like to lightly pepper my fries. You could drizzle this with some oil, but I'm going to use this canola oil. It's just a pan spray, and just give it a good coat. And I'm going to mix them a bit. Spray my pan and just give it a good coat. A medium-high heat. I'm going to just toss my fries in. Now that the pan is heated, I'm going to make sure I turn it down to a medium heat, and I'm going to cover it and let them crisp up a bit, and then toss and turn them, crisp up a bit, and then I'm going to turn them to a medium low and let them continue to cook until they're done. This is a top sirloin steak. I'm just going to start getting my steak ready while my fries are cooking. I've already sliced it in this direction. Now I'm just going to turn it this way and cut it in cubes. Now that I have my top sirloin chopped up in cubes, I'm going to pepper it. Adding this salt-free Dash flavorful taco seasoning mix. This is actually really good. This was the last one left. They sold out. These are always sold out at the Winco that I go to. Try these out. Delicious. I haven't found them at Walmart yet though, unless I just haven't seen them. Let's put this on there. I don't think I need all of this. Let me see here. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle some on. I'll probably put half of the package because this isn't a pound. I don't believe it's a pound. I'm going to add some more because this is really, really good. Fresh garlic, shaved. You could shave it, press it, dice it. Just make sure it goes in because it does make a bit of a difference, as far as my opinion. Make sure you give this a nice mix. And then we're ready for the griddle. My griddle is nice and hot. I'm going to actually turn it down a bit. There we go. Give this a nice coat. I am going to be uploading my pasta recipe the next video. I just had some avocados and I defrosted this steak that I needed to use, so that's why I'm uploading this video first, which I was going to make this video anyways, so I just did it sooner, and the pasta is going to be my next upload. The package of the Dash seasoning does call for just a bit of water. So what I like to do is just add a bit while I'm cooking. So it'll kind of give it a nice steamy effect, I guess you could say. And then start to mix it on the griddle. I'm adding a bit of salt, and you want to make sure it's seasoned with salt, because Dash taco seasoning does not have any salt, and that's what I like about it, because I could adjust my salt to my liking. And you know, that's what Dash is for. It's for people that want to be salt-free or limit their salt. That looks like it's good enough for me. I don't want to overcook it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down. I like to take a wooden utensil and just do this. I like to use a low-carb tortilla because I don't have a whole bunch of carbs on top of carbs. But you could use whatever tortillas you like. Use your favorite, but this is a whole wheat low-carb mission tortilla. I'm going to add some pepper jack cheese. I'm going to stick my meat right on top of that so it will start to melt. I like to make sure I use Colby Jack or extra sharp cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more cheese right here on the side. Nice and cheesy. Fries made from scratch. I don't know what to call it. Made from hard labor, peeling potatoes and slicing them instead of frozen. The rest of my cheese. I just want to leave the tortilla on here long enough for the bottom cheese to melt. You don't want it to get too crispy, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it like that and put it in a plate. Now I'm going to add my avocado. This is just an avocado smash. You can make guacamole, you could do it in slices, do it however you like. I'm not going in any type of special order. I'm just putting everything on my California burrito that should be on it. Now for the salsa. You could use pico de gallo if you like. Really, really delicious. Try it out. You're going to love it. And what's a California burrito or any burrito without some extra salsa? I love my burrito wet and saucy. Try this out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next video.